Here's exactly how I would make $1 million this year, and it's not getting into crypto early, it's not dropshipping, it's none of these things that big gurus are trying to tell you to do. It's the one thing that actually works for every business you're in, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to perfectly do it so you can become millionaire in 2025. My name is Ville, I made 10k a month content marketing, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you why YouTube is the best platform for business owners to make $1 million, how to get dream clients long term, and how to literally steal leads from your competitors, so let's get into it. So let's get the obvious thing out of the way. To make money, you need clients, and to get clients, you need to have good marketing. So why is YouTube the best platform to make millions? Well, majority of users on YouTube are adults, meaning these are the people who have money to spend on your services. Compared to other platforms like TikTok and Instagram, the majority of users there are 20 years old or younger. And with common sense, young people usually have less money to spend on your services. So why would you market your high-ticket service on platforms where people do not have money to spend with you? Doesn't make sense, right? Another thing is, other platforms make you algorithm reliant. So when people are scrolling, they aren't really looking for your solution either, compared to YouTube where they can simply search their problem and your solution is there for you. It just makes it easier for you to market your services to people who already are looking for that solution. And most creators even fail to get leads with YouTube because people do not care about their content. Because many people just try to copy their competitors into their niche and they just end up looking like another clone, which leads to the audience thinking they have already seen this video thousands of times before. And many also fail to cause action because their videos do not build up that pain and confidence in their videos to actually make people click the link in their description and make them book a call or purchase their solution. So if you're someone who wants to make $1 million in 2025, in the next 10 minutes I'll show you how to get your YouTube game fixed so you can attract dream customers and make $1 million in 2025. And while at it, feel free to grab the free content strategy in my video's description to get started right away. Now, to make $1 million, you need to have good offer, because your offer will determine how many appointments you get. Your offer is literally your value proportion. Now, when we are thinking about offers, we want to think about the dream result we can promise to our clients. Or we want to present them with something extremely desirable that will get them to click through your link. And many people make this mistake of selling their service or business model through their offer, but telling someone that I can do video edits for you isn't really desirable even if someone would actually need it. So here's a good example. We can help you lose weight through our diet and workout system, or we can edit your YouTube videos. That isn't really desirable even if someone actually needs it. So what we need to do is we need to frame it with their dream desired result. So good example would be, if you're a marketing agency doing above 5k a month, we'll guarantee you 10 clients in 30 days or you don't pay, and we'll wire you extra $1,000 for wasting your time. The reason why framing an offer like this works so well is because we are showcasing to the ideal client what they actually want. The reason why framing offer like this works so well is because we are showcasing what the ideal client actually wants. Because our ideal client doesn't really care if you do Facebook ads, Google ads, SEO, customized diets, web design, video edits, or SaaS. What they really care about is just results. Now, when we create offers, we need to first of all call out our ICP. So for example, if you're a roofing company, marketing agency, career-driven man, this is for you. And this is what we actually do for all of our clients. We design this really in-depth Google Docs on what language should we actually use to target our ICP and make the most amount of sales. And next you need to give them their desired result. So if you're a marketing agency, we'll guarantee you 25 qualified code-ready appointments or 50 appointments with borrowers, or even lose 20k, 20kg in a certain amount of time, like 30 days, 90 days, or 120 days. Having these three is good, but most people always think about the risk that comes when they are investing money into you. So you need to also have risk reversal. So this could be standard you don't pay, I'll send you $1,000 for wasting your time, or will work for free for you until we'll get you results. Now when you combine all this, here's what your offer should look like. If you're a marketing agency doing above 10k a month, we'll guarantee you 5 clients per month in 120 days, or you don't pay. This is really desirable for our target audience, which is marketing agencies, because they are already making 10k a month, which means they can spend money with us, and we'll literally guarantee them 5 clients per month, which is really desirable in 4 months we are working with them. And if they don't even get results, they don't pay. So why wouldn't they work with you? Because their offer is literally so good. Now once you have your offer, it's time to market your offer. And the best way to get leads for your offer, especially if you have new channel, is with search-based content. Because if you're not making search-based content, you're literally relying on the algorithm to get viewers to your videos. And it makes it really difficult to get leads over time, especially if you focus on trends and the trend dies down over time. So, how to make searchable videos? Well, you need to simply focus on how-to videos. Because people always have problems that they're looking solutions for, and you simply being there providing the solution makes people like you because you solved their problem. So you can make a how-to video on the problem you have solved before, because most of your ideal clients are literally you, but in the past when you were struggling with the problem you have now solved and are now selling. So I used to struggle with thumbnails, so I made a video solving that problem, and it actually ranked really high on YouTube search. Like, it got 80% of the whole video's traffic, and that video ended up getting me a lot of leads. You can also use vidIQ to find low competition, high volume keywords. So when you're using vidIQ, try to type a really common, highly searched topic on the keyword tab, and it's gonna give you result. Go to the related keywords tab, and there filter out low competition, high volume keywords. Usually score above 60 is good. So for example, B2B lead generation, real high search volume and very low competition, which is a really good keyword to include in your video's titles. And that too will get you a lot of leads. Now, to make this work perfectly, you need to have good thumbnails, because if your thumbnails are just average copycats made by someone on Fiverr, nobody's going to click on your video because they'll just assume you have nothing new to offer from everyone else. And even worse, it might target the wrong audience. Like in this example, the thumbnail has repeated so many times, and every single time this style is repeated, it just gets way less views. So really simple thing you need to just do is be a little bit unique in your niche. And the best way to really do that is copy thumbnails from other niches and just put your own spin to them. So this guy made full copywriting course, this guy stole it and made it in YouTube growth niche. Or growth operating, this guy stole it and made it in his phone reselling niche. Because everyone just tells you, yeah, copy your competitors, but everyone is already doing that and that thing is oversaturated. So what you need to do is copy them from other niches and just put your own spin to them so they feel familiar to your target audience, but also are proven to work in other niches. And ideally, make sure these channels that you're copying from are usually less than 30,000 subscribers. Now, once they have clicked on your video, you need to keep them watching with a good intro. Good intro is literally like a good movie trailer, and it will literally carry the whole video if your intro is just good. Like, your video can be average and your intro just carried the whole video because it keeps people hooked into your video. So how to do that? Well, first of all, you need to interrupt the pattern. So when you're starting your video, you just need to be a little bit different from everyone else. So how do you do that? Well, you can use shocking statistic. Did you know 90% of YouTube videos get less than 1,000 views? Or ask provocative questions like, what if I told you your next YouTube video could book you 10 more sales calls? Or make a bold statement. I'm gonna be showing you how to 10x your YouTube leads in the next 10 minutes. Or even controversial opinions, because controversy actually sells really well. So you could use something like aiming for virality is the biggest mistake you can make for your business. Now after your audience is hooked in, you need to ask yourself, what is in it for me? Because your viewers are seeking to solve their problem or reduce the pain that they have. And your video needs to tell them that it will solve the problem they're having. So you need to have a strong promise. And a good example of strong promises, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to create good intros to keep people engaged through the entire video. Or by the end of this video you'll have step-by-step script formula that attracts high-ticket leads. Now they might be wondering after that, why should they even trust you? Because you are a fake or scammer until proven otherwise. So you need to provide some kind of proof or competency so they'll continue watching and stay engaged. So you can either provide simple proof by showing results you have had for yourself or your clients, or you can borrow authority from someone else like Alex Hormozi by saying, I figure out 3 core things Alex Hormozi does in his every piece of content. Then simply demonstrate how you're going to fulfill your promise with simple lists, steps, or checklists like, I'm gonna give you a list of things you need to do in order to get this desired result. But at the end of the day, your intros just need to be short and straight to the point, and the rest of the video is just value. Because most people end up overcomplicating their intros, and it just wastes time and doesn't keep people engaged throughout the video. Now, you may be wondering, how do you script out the rest of the video? Well, it's actually really simple, and it's not scripted at all. Because scripting the entire video makes the whole process take 3 times longer, because you're scripting out the video, and then you're trying to record the video like exactly how you intended it to be. So what you need to do is simply put the most important points in the bullet points and just freestyle from there. Now aside from scripting, you need to make sure your body includes these 2 things that I'm about to show you. Make sure there's a little bit of pain, because pain is the main reason why people decide or act or not. Now by pain I don't mean like you're poor, you're broke, none of that fake guru type of shit. It just needs to show that something that they're doing is wrong, and your video is gonna provide solution for that problem. And you need to build the pain over time. Your first, second, third, or even 4th video won't book you any calls. What you need to do is keep people engaged long enough till they watch 5 videos and have built that pain over time to actually feel that desire to book the call with you. Now, quick recap. YouTube is the best place to market your offer because the audience has the most buying power. A good offer promises the result that clients desire. And search-based content is key to getting leads as a business owner. And if you're a business owner who wants a no-nonsense path to booking calls with simple YouTube videos, feel free to check the link in my video's description. And there's also the free content strategy included there. Anyways, have a good day. Peace out.